Hey, I'm George Alanese. I just wanted to make this video to give you a heads up about things that I'm seeing in your map listing through different GPS locations in San Antonio. Okay, so I did this search today, November 13th, 2020, just to kind of start off. Here's your business name, Arts Automobile Repair, keyword mobile mechanic. So this means if someone is searching for mobile mechanic throughout any of these GPS locations, these are your rankings. Now, these map listings act like antennas. The closer you are, the stronger the signal. That's why you can see you have a 1 right there. So let's kind of zoom in a little bit. You even have a 19 because they're a little closer here. But there's a lot of work to be done here. There's no shortage of requests for mobile mechanics. And if you want to go into some higher income areas too, like Alamo Heights, Castle Hills, something like that, you're going to want to target these individual locations. There's no shortage of mobile mechanics like I just mentioned. I'm going to redo this, refresh it. So I typed in mobile mechanic San Antonio. That's 720 searches a month. I have different keyword tools. So one says 720, the next one says 720, and this one also says 720. So that means it's pretty reliable. That means that there's at least 720 people searching for this service. And there's different keyword variations. If someone wants to do mobile mechanic San Antonio, Texas, if they want to spell out Texas, there's an extra like over 300. So there's probably about 1,000 people looking for this kind of service consistently in San Antonio, just to let you know. I just wanted to give you a heads up. If you want to advance and conquer, give me a shout out. I'm George Alanese. I'm always down to help. Just reply to this and we can get started on your deep dive. Thank you.